Mic check. There we go. Yeah, my mic wasn't working yesterday, so I hope you guys can hear me now. Mic check. There we go. Yeah, my mic wasn't working yesterday, so I hope you guys can hear me now. Alright guys, I have to go take care of something. I'll be back very shortly. Hopefully we get set up by then, but I'll be back in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I will increase my risk slightly today. I'm risking 3% of my account balance, so I'll be risking around £60, just 3% of 2k. I want price to retrace, come back a little bit. Let's just see how far it goes up before it comes down. That's what I want to see. I want to see it come down. I want it to make a low. There's a lot of sell pressure and the price is still moving up. That tells me there's institutional money in the play right now. There's all the sell pressure, but why is price moving up? Here's the first pullback, see how far it goes. Appreciate that, man. Hopefully today's an even better session, man. I got a good feeling about this one. Should be better than yesterday. Right now I'm just waiting for a good pullback. and then we will see where I want to enter from. Should be setting up very soon. Yo, Hamad, what does your surname mean, by the way? What's the meaning of your surname? You know how like every name has like a meaning and it comes from somewhere. What's the meaning of your surname? Oh, to Mimi. We might get into a buy depending on how this candle closes. We'll see, using the second strap. We just need to wait 4 more minutes for this candle to close. Then I'll let you know. But this is using the second strap. Our main strap, I'm still waiting for a setup for that one. Three more minutes. 3 more minutes. I'm hoping this will close above. This closes above. And if everything looks good, I might get into a buy position here. One more minute. So with a second strat, if we do get into a position, our stop loss will be $3, right? 3 handles, alright? And as soon as we're in $1 profit, 1 handle profit, we'll go to break even instantly. This is like a short term, like a scalp type of strategy. We'll close half the position at 1 handle profit, and we'll keep the other half until whatever happens. We'll see. If we get into this trade, we'll see. Last minute. I really hope it closes above. That's what I was looking for. I wanted to close above this line right here. Alright, I mean, it wasn't the best close. I'll be honest, it wasn't the best, but I still feel like taking Wolsey. Let me have a think about this. Price retraces like halfway, I'll probably get into an entry because my stop loss will be minimized. So if price gets around here, I'll probably get into the trade. Alright guys, I'm getting into buy here right now. I will get into a buy right now. Position size. Okay, so remember, as soon as we're in one handle profit, going on break even. That takes us right here, 1540. Get to 1540, we're on break even, and we'll close half the position. Going on break even, closing just less than half of the position. We're on break even. We secured just about 10 pips. Don't forget, this is just a quick little scalp, alright? But we secured just over 10 pips, alright? Close half the position for break and put the rest on break even. And if it goes further, it goes further. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. I'm still waiting for the main strat, my main play, my main setup. So this is just a little thing in between, you know, like a little snack, like a little appetizer. That's a trade. Got 10 pips. Just over 10 pips. For a short little scalp. wait for a next setup. Simple as that. In fact, we're waiting for the main setup, not just the next setup, the main setup. And there she goes with ours. Might get into a sell depending on how this candle closes. I'll wait for now. And again, I might get into a sell depending on how this candle closes again. How about now? How does it sound now? I appreciate the feedback, by the way. Can you hear me better now? Much better, or if there's any little tweaks I need to make, just let me know, man. Alright, might get into a sell right here. We'll see. Just one more minute. Let's wait, see how it plays out. Stop loss again, this is the second strat, so stop loss will be just above these highs, which is just over 3 handles. Okay, I sold. Stop loss is actually about 40 pips. Price dropped a little bit too far before I got a chance to get in. But it's fine, again. Entry was 1590. What are you talking about, Jan? I'm not even sure what you're talking about, man. Elaborate. I've not blocked anybody. If you could feel free to message me. I haven't blocked anybody on Discord, so I'm not sure. I think you might be a little bit mistaken, but it's fine. Like, there's no reason for me to block anyone, to be honest. And to be honest with you, I never said ICT is bad. I just said he's a scammer, and I'm pretty sure most of the people know by now that he's a scammer. A lot of the top people have made plenty of videos about, like, highlighting exactly how he's a scammer. He's joined tournaments and he's lost over 99%, and then he pretended that it was actually on purpose just to prove a point. But it's fine. I'm not here to talk about ICT, man. But yeah, feel free, man. Message me on Discord, man. Trust me, I haven't blocked you. For no reason to block you, man. Okay, so originally I actually wanted to sell here, right here. Actually, it was right here, I think. Around here, anyways. I wanted to sell around here anyways originally, so I would have been in a decent profit by now already, but I had to wait for some confirmations. Now we'll see. We'll see how this one plays out. Alright guys, get ready to go and break even and reduce your risk. And that's it. Okay. Break even set. So we'll make sure we don't lose anything, then we'll close half the position. In this case, yeah, I'll close half the position, yep. Again, this is the second strat, so it's just a little short little scalp. Still waiting for my main strat. It's been a little bit slow today, and it looks like we're about to be stopped out for break even. Well, about 10 pips profit. It's fine. We'll take it. We'll take it. So another 10 pip profit. So 10 pip before, 10 pip now. It's 20 pips so far, and I'm still waiting for the main strat to come in. And again, it looks like it stopped me out just as before. Look, got into the position, stopped the rest of my position out for break even, and then it continued in our way without us. It could do the same. If it doesn't, it is what it is. So what I'm hoping for now is I'm hoping for price to touch back the top, and if it gets back to the highs, I will be selling again near the highs. So let's be patient and find out. Yo, make sure you guys like the stream, share it with your friends. This journey's just starting, man. It's gonna be a long journey. You guys are lucky you're the first ones here. Make sure you guys show your name, show your face, like the stream, ask some questions, make some comments. Don't worry, I've got a good memory. I'll remember you guys, man. So now what we're waiting for is let's see, I'll show you guys. So now we did two little scalps, right? Both scalps went in our direction. We're close for 10 pips each, right? Could have had a lot more, but it's fine. They stopped us out and it continued in the right direction. So now we're waiting for price to retract back to the top. As soon as price gets here, we're selling. We're in our main position. This is the one we've been waiting for all day. Alright? As soon as price gets here, we are in a sell. It's only 40 pips away. It's not too far. It's easily doable. And if it doesn't get there, then I've got a different trade setting up as well. So we'll hopefully we'll get one eventually. We'll see. I'll be on the markets for 1 more hour, 55 minutes. Just 20 pips away from our main trade. Is it going to activate us or not? It was 8 pips away from activation. 8 pips. We're gonna sell order, just waiting for execution. We're 8 pips away from execution. So let's see if it'll bring us in this time. Limitless, yes, love that, man, love that. Appreciate you coming, man, appreciate you liking, man. Appreciate that a lot. This is my 4th stream. I'll update you on what happened today. So we got into a buy right here. So I've got 2 strategies, right? This is my short-term scalping strat right here. I got into a buy right here, closed 50% of the position for 10 pips profit, and the rest got hit for break even and it continued in that direction. Same thing right here. Got into a sell, closed 50%, and the rest got hit for break even. That's just a little scalping strat, right? But my main strat, I'm supposed to sell right here. As you can see, price was literally 8 pips away from my entry. So let's see if it's going to leave without us. Hopefully it comes back, triggers opposition, and continues down. Otherwise, that's it. That's it for today. But yeah, not a bad day so far. But yeah, price, man, literally 8 pips away fam. Like 7 pips away. We would have been in on break even and we would have secured some money already. We'll see, we'll see. Hopefully this is where it triggers us. Yeah, I've got a good feeling this is going to break the highs right here. I've got a really good feeling it's going for it. As a matter of fact, this is a buy entry right here, so I should have bought right here for a short scalp, and I would be on almost break even by now. So yeah, and my stop loss would be right here, 3 handles. This is for the second strat, but I'm not going for it. I'm just waiting this out. Man, it really doesn't want to trigger me in my position, man. I'm giving it another 25 minutes. If it triggers, it triggers. If not, then that's it. I'm done for today. Start next week fresh. Stronger than ever. Still got a good feeling this position will trigger me, and I just needed to break the top just one more time. Just one more time. I'm not asking for a lot. 8 pips away from my entry, man. Now it's leaving without us. I was going to open a place of market order a third of my position right here, just the 0.02, just in case it wouldn't trigger me in, but I thought, you know what, I'll wait. I'll give it 20 more minutes. Yo, like the stream, hit notification bell so you get notified every time. Remember, Monday to Friday, 2 o'clock UK time, BST. Yo, is this better? Mic check 1 2. Yeah, I need to buy a webcam. I need to buy a microphone. I've got a lot of stuff to do, man. I'm terrible at editing. I've got a ton of work to do, man. The quality of my streams on YouTube will have to increase drastically. I just want to record all the trades because I've been ready to trade for a while. So I just want to document and record all the trades, and slowly I'll be improving all my YouTube content. So you guys just bear with me and just make any suggestions, man. Just like you did now, so I appreciate that, man. I don't have an iPhone. I'm with Samsung. But yeah, this was the main setup. My main trade, I take one trade per day for my main setup. And this was it right here. I was supposed to get in the sell right here. Literally 8 pips off the mark. And it would have been at least a 50 pip trade so far. But we'll see, I might have a reaction right here off these lows. I couldn't tell you. So I've got like a 3-step plan. I have to wait for all 3 steps to be executed, right? So step 1's done, step 2 is done, and now step 3 is for the price to reach a certain point. So for example, this is step 3 right here. Step 1 and 2 is confirmed, and this step is what I was waiting for. So now, you know what? Usually, right, because it didn't touch here, right? Like I would actually buy from here. So I either sell from here or buy from here, right? Because it didn't touch here, I should be buying from here, but it came way too close for me to be comfortable with buying right here. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna buy right here, and I'm gonna have my stop loss extremely tight. Okay, my stop. This is just because like I'm going off script a little bit. Okay, so my stop loss is going to be. I'm gonna give my stop loss about 30 pips. So 1160. And that's the trade. Okay. Again, I went off script, so this wasn't supposed to be. I was supposed to have taken a sell right here. So I'm going off script a little bit, but it's fine. And that's trade number 3. Again, basically 10 pips. Could have had 20, but yeah, that's a trade. Slow day today. Very slow day. So I went on break even. I like to protect my capital when I went on break even, just in case it goes against me. I closed partial for 10 pip profit, and again, this trade wasn't really part of my plan. My main trade, right, my main setup was a sell from here. So look, it built structure. Now, when price reached here, came down, I wanted to sell right here, but price, as you can see, price literally went like it was 7 pips away from my entry. So, and for example, if it didn't touch the top right, this is my bottom, so I would buy from here. So because it didn't touch there, this is a buy signal for me right here anyways. But because I want the first thing I want, the main thing I wanted was a sell from here. So because I didn't get my main like I wasn't really too confident with this or too sure with this one. I'm gonna leave this this sell right here just for the time being. So if it touches all-time highs again, it will trigger me in for a sell. Yeah, I like to go on. So I have two strats. My main strat, okay, I have a 135 pips stop loss, and once I'm in 25 to 30 pips profit, I go on break even. So for example, if this was my main strat and I go into an entry right here, I go into buy entry for example, my stop loss, as soon as like I go like 25, so for example here or here, like 30 pips in profit, I'll bring my stop loss to break even. In this case, I wasn't really too comfortable with this setup, so I went on break even pretty early. Yeah, let's see what my trades were. I'm gonna see what trades I took. So let me go on a 5 minute. So let's see what I've done. So okay, so this was the first day, right? I took this trade off stream because YouTube wouldn't let me stream because you have to wait 24 hours before you can do your first stream. So I got into a buy right here, and again I'm pretty like I went on break even, right? So I was in a little bit of profit. Went on break even or just below these lows, and they stopped me out just below these lows, and then they continued in my direction for about 80 pips profit. Okay, so that's a break even trade. The next day I got into a sniper buy right here, sniper entry right here, and was secured around 130 pip profit. We could have had about 220 pip profit, but it's fine, whatever. Good day, right? And now this was the third day. What happened this day? I can't even see. So yeah, okay, so this is the second day live on stream. We're going to a sell right here, perfect entry again. Sell right here, and we'll close for a total of 70 pips profit, just over 70 pips. And then this was yesterday. Okay, so now this is where we're in a little bit bad. We're going to a sell right here, and normally my stop loss is over here, right? 135 pips, but I decided to put my stop loss on break even pretty early. In fact, I took a minus 50 pip loss here, and I was actually pretty confident with this trade. So once I got more confirmation, I re-entered right here, and I secured 55 pips. So I went on pretty much like I went on to actually make all my money back and a little bit more as well. So I lost 50 pips here, made 55 pips back, and got into one more sell, as you can see right here. I closed for another 30 pip profit, and the rest got hit for break even. And now this is today. This is today's trades. See what we've done today. So look, 10 pips here, 10 pips there, a break even, and another 10 pips here, and the rest for break even. So not bad so far. These like 10 pip wins, I'm not gonna count that as an actual win on my record. So like, do you know what I mean? I'm not gonna try and cheese all these wins, right? So obviously that's like 1, 2, 3 little 10 pip wins, but I'm not gonna add that to the record, man. But yeah, we'll see, man. I'll wait another 10-15 minutes. Hopefully it breaks these tops, man. I'll wait actually about 15-20 minutes because 5 p.m. we'll have 5 p.m. Actually, you know what? We have a minor news folder at 10 past 5 in about 20 minutes. I'll wait to see what that does. Yeah, news in about 15 minutes. See what that does. Hopefully this position gets triggered, man. Been waiting quite a while for this one. This has been my longest stream so far. Over 2 hours. I'll be opening some futures future account soon with Top Step. I'm gonna get funded with them and start trading with them as well. I had some issues with Apex. I passed some accounts on They actually, they actually scam me, so they're very scammy. Apex Futures. I'd stay away from them. One more position. Short scalp. I'm chasing this one. It's not the best setup. I wouldn't recommend this setup, to be honest. But yeah, here's a buy entry. I'll go and break even once it passes 1590. Stop loss 30 pips. I'll go and break even after 10 pips. I'm just going on break even, guys. I didn't really like this trade. I just took it out of boredom, if anything, to be honest. I'm just going on break even. I will close half the position right here. Well, I'll just wait a little bit more. We have a miner news folder in 8 minutes. I'm gonna stick around and see what that does. But gold's moving way too slow for me right now. It's boring me out, man. I'll be honest with you. Next week's again, new week. Fresh start. News in 5 minutes. And then after that we'll see. We'll give it another 5 minutes. We'll see how news plays out. It's a very minor folder, so I'm not expecting much, but we'll see. It might give it a little tickle. We'll see. And if it triggers my position, then okay, cool. I'll put my stop loss. I'll put my TPs, and I will just let it play out. I'll close the stream. Man, today we did nothing, man. We were supposed to sell right here, but price didn't quite reach there. So all we did was just short little scalps, 10 pip here, 10 there, 10 here, and then another 10 now. Then again, it's like 40 pips in total with all four scalps, but I wanted my main position, man, right here. I wanted to sell right here. We probably would have got 50 pips at least from this trade alone. But yeah, we'll see, man. Hopefully, 4 minutes left for the news. Let's see if it does anything. Hopefully it triggers my sell right here. Hopefully. If it triggers my sell, I'll close this buy position right here. I'll put my stop loss to 135 pips. And I'll put my TPs as well. And then I'll probably just close the stream and let it play out. But once I see the price, so for example, I got triggered right here. And if I end up in, let's say, so 25 pip right here, so 25 pips. If I'm in 25 pip profit, then I'll put my position to break even or just above these highs right here, or just above whatever high it makes. So for example, let's say if price reaches like here, so 10 pips above my entry, I'll put my stop loss just above there. So let's see, news in 3 minutes, man. It's probably not going to do anything, to be honest. It's just a minor orange folder. Alright, news in a few seconds. Let's see what it does. It's not even news actually, it's just a speech. Fed Wallace speech, Fed Bostic speech in 18 minutes. Yeah, it's not even news. We have very minor news at 7 PM in 2 hours, but I'm not going to be sticking around for that long. In fact, I might just, we'll see, man. We'll see. Let's see if this actually triggers me in. So it's just teasing my position, man. It's teasing my sell limit. Once, twice, 3 times. It's just teasing me. just updating my stream. So today, 10 pip here, 20, 30 pips there, and then we did another 30 pips here, so 60 pips total. So today, I'm gonna count that as 1W, yeah, 1W. So that's the third win and one loss, 75% win rate.
Yo, so what are you doing, bro? What am I seeing on the screen, bro? I see just the graphic. I see sell buy in the left corner. What's this, man? It's like a new hobby or something, or? Damn. Yes. Yeah, I know. Yeah, looks. You're on a total pips. What's pips? Like yeah, investment. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And what is your budget? What do you like? So you work in your free time, and then you make money, and then what do you put aside to put in the market? Can you talk in euros, or is that? Yes. Yes. So 300 euros then. Okay. So if you're on the market, so you're like now on the market and you see, oh, I'm losing 300 euros, you stop trading that day. It's like, okay, I finish it. I'm watching, but there's like I think a 20-second delay or something. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mhm. And you only go for gold currency, like. And how do you like? How do you know when? So you, wait. So first of all, do you like follow news or like things that have like any like things, or like how do you say the English? Um, influence. In my country, call it influence. Like things that change the market or something. You know, like a gold mine in fucking Africa or something, and then the gold price rises or something. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. And the strategy, is this something you created yourself, or is it something you adapted from somebody you watch? But I'm watching your stream, so maybe I'm like I can uh, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mhm. So we know pips, so that's like so you can put it in your own terms. But what do you what do you put in, and what did you get out? Because you now you have 210 plus pips, but in your monies, what do you make today, or is that something you cannot tell? There's still a delay on our screen, just so I know. Yeah, I see 07, 2.3, and 4.41. Pounds. So that's like small euros. That's like you can buy bread or something with that. What? No, no, no. If you put the, yeah, no. But this is like in euros, 2.54 pound is uh-huh. 50. Oh no. And in euro, wait, I'll search up. 20 pound to in euro. Yeah, 24 euros. Okay, so you made 24 euros and minus one loss. What was the loss? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, interesting, interesting. Did you, how long did you learn about this marketing? Like how long did you do research? How long did it take you to understand all this? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. If your live stream, like, because you have a small audience, but still, like, how do you say it? Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, you always need results to show before you know? So now you're just doing the small money, and then when you like start gaining and shit, and you have more money to spend, you'll do like bigger trades. Mhm. Uh-huh. Yes. Is this is this something you recommend to people 18, 17 years old? Uh-huh. Yes. Yeah. But they don't have the consistency, you know? Yeah, because like, no, because I know the feeling, because I go to the gym, and how to say that, more mm, a real gym goer, and then you have like friends that go to the gym with you, but then like they do it for 1 month or something, then they don't show up, you know? So, Gamblers. Uh-huh. Nah, but you don't need to go of feeling. So when you have a plan, you need to go of the plan, not of the feeling, you know? I think you have gamblers as friends, not gonna lie, bro. But I do have a family member who does this, but it's more like long-term trading. So he has like a balance that he set up together with his friends, with 4 friends, and they all put in like $4,000 euros. So 4 times 4 is 16. So they had 16,000 in the bank or in that investment thing. So they let it sit for 3 years or something, and then they got it like to 30k. So they no, not 30k, like 20 and something else. So that's like maybe €1,000 profit, you know. But they're still holding on, you know. Like you can take it out, but that is time consuming. So you're doing like daily trades, you know. Wait. Okay. Let me just, cause this might be interesting, cause I fucking hate school, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna take notes. So the name of your trading is, or the style is, commodity. Metals. Precious. Uh-huh. 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 Mathematics? Don't say mathematics, please, cause I don't know, just like in general? Just pay attention to general in your studies? What do you mean? What the way to learn how to study things, or just the knowledge that you gain while you study? Yeah. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. €20 per trade, yeah. Huh? Yes. Exactly. Mm-hmm. But of course there's a catch behind it. You need to pay some money back or something, right? Exactly. And your loss, like they don't like let you gamble for free. Like what do they do about your losses? Uh-huh. Is there a trade happening or what? Ah, okay. Yeah, so cause it's still kinda how do I say it? Still I don't understand fully what you're fully saying, so I just wanna, you know, I'm gonna search a YouTube video tomorrow about what you're saying today. So if we have a conversation about this again, you know, I have more knowledge about what you're saying. So any videos you yeah. I'll wait.
Alright, so that's the trading session done. Everyone have a good night. Enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend. Do we have to do next week? Nice fresh week today. We secured 60 pips. More than happy with that. Alright, come back next week, nice and strong, fresh mind. We're gonna make a killing, man. Let's do it.